talking it, she ain't trying it. He keep calling me crime. Dance how you killed this. I understood the assignment. 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 All my piped up. Then you find like duh. Keep that locked up. He a broke boy, he can't touch. Damn, you find like duh, like duh, like duh.
Home decor favorites from Amazon is this seagrass storage basket. I love this basket. I just think it's a little bit more unique than others out there. I love the detailing on it, and I like that it's a little bit more shallow than other baskets, and it's perfect for blankets or storing your shoes.
I'm really picky when it comes to Amazon furniture, but I just fell in love with this TV stand. It gave me all the farmhouse vibes. I loved the stone gray color, and I honestly just wanted it because I knew I could style these shelves really cute for every single holiday. I also have the matching coffee table and the matching end table. It's all from the same brand, so they all match as a little set, and they're all really affordable. Currently have a 55-inch TV on it, but it can hold up to a 65.
It cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 of 'em like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. You man like Ike. 6 out the spot.
This is part 363 of 365 and I have 5 kitchen finds today. If you love strawberries but hate having to waste both time and the strawberry itself when removing the stem, this berry blaster goes in at a 45-degree angle and quickly and efficiently blasts out the stem, so less of your strawberry ends up going to waste. This vegetable slicer easily slices through potatoes, zucchini, peppers, and carrots to your desired thickness and can even quickly cut french fries in cubes as well. If you hate having to touch tuna water, this tuna can colander fits perfectly over each can and removes the water effortlessly. These super cube silicone trays are perfect for meal prep and will freeze the perfect portion of soup or chili for the next day's meal. And if your microwave looks like this Angry Mama gets filled with vinegar and water and releases steam inside the microwave so that all that dirt and grime can finally be easily cleaned off.
Amazon favorites. I'm obsessed with this water bottle. I have it in a few different colors, and I also got these glass straws, which come in a set of 4 to go with it, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Amazon favorites, and it's available in Canada. This is a humidifier shaped as a candle. I use it beside my bed for at nighttime. It is perfect. It also has a lamp on it, and it comes in a few different colors.
Yo, she fire. Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips kinda wide, thick thighs. She about 5'5" or about 5'6". Pretty tits sitting high, legs crossed when she sit. Hair was hanging by the inch, then she cut it off. Eyebrows on fleek, can't rub it off, no pencil. Trap music in the Benz coupe, with the top down, no nigga, just a shih tzu. Bad bitch, she only smoke blunts with the glass tips, and she buy Chanel bags just to put her cash in. Chanel die.
Organizational must-haves from Amazon, part 2. First up, this Lazy Susan turntable is the perfect snack organizer for your pantry. And I love that it has 3 separate removable bins with handles to make it super easy to grab and go if you want to reach something from a higher shelf. And this portable wireless label maker lets you make completely customizable labels and even QR codes, all from an app on your phone. You can label everything from craft or school supplies to office documents, your medicine cabinet, or spices in your pantry. And speaking of getting your spices organized, I'm absolutely loving this retractable spice rack that allows me to reach even the spices up on the top shelf with ease. They're linked in my bio under Amazon Faves and then Organization.
Last year, these clasps I found on Amazon quickly became one of my favorite ways to hang spiders, hang garland up at the holiday time, and they are amazing for keeping your cords bundled on the back of your appliances. Next, this jar opener makes it a snap to open up the lids and quickly remove them, and these acrylic closet separators are amazing to stick on your shelves, and they keep your clothes from tipping over, more organized, and I cannot wait to do this in my own closet.
I like to call this my struggle Cuddle Sweatshirt. Linda. Oh, she's... Linda. There you go. Stick your head out. Look at that. She looks thrilled. Now you and I can hang out together all the time. And this is why I'm dying alone. It's all right. I'm into it.
Amazon Kitchen Gadget. This microwave pasta cooker makes perfectly cooked pasta every single time. You simply add your pasta, cover with water, place in the microwave, and you have perfectly cooked pasta that doesn't stick or boil over. You can also cook rice and vegetables in this container. I feel like it would be the perfect addition for any college student who only has a microwave because you can cook, drain, and even eat out of the same container. Link in bio to shop.
Things you need from Amazon. This Truce Tech ice maker, it is so easy. All you have to do is fill it up with water and the machine does all the work for you. The ice forms in the bag. As soon as it's ready, it drops off and then it gets pushed into this bin. I mean, look at these ice cubes. They're so freaking cute. It's currently on sale today. There's a $20 off coupon, making it only $118, which is honestly a steal because this thing is amazing. As soon as the ice is ready, just grab your favorite glass, fill it up with some water, and you are all ready to go.
What I ordered versus what I got. Amazon edition.
I've been hot since the birth of my son. I remain unfazed. Trust worse has been done. Man, fuck.
This thing is so cool. I freaking love it.
She can get a taste. What did it say? It's all the same like Mary Kate. Get a taste. Let you get a taste.
Okay.
Now, I'm not certain, but my understanding is
that bad boy in there.
into their intake or if it's generally out.
That is so freaking
Amazon home favorites. I love these candles. It comes in so many different colors and they're so cute. I put it with this little plant stand I got. I'm obsessed. I haven't got a plant for it yet, but I love it. And I also got these beads and they come in 3 different sizes and I got all 3.